So when a neighbor to drop my daughter to school, that is called as a gratuitous bailment. जब मैंने वो गाड़ी अपने नेबर से ली तो उस गाड़ी का जो ओनर है वो मेरा नेबर ही है, बट आई एम जस्ट इन द पोजेशन ऑफ दैट कार to pick up or drop my daughter to school. So I'm using that car. I'm using that movable property. So that is called as gratuitous bailment under Indian Contract Act. Bailment only deals with movable property when one person delivers that movable property to another for some usage. उसको हम कहते हैं बेलमेंट. बेलमेंट एक तो ग्रेचुटस होगी जहां पे आपने कंसिडरेशन नहीं पे किया, एंड जो दूसरी बेलमेंट है उसको हम कहते हैं नॉन ग्रेचुटस बेलमेंट विच इज विद कंसिडरेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई वॉन्ट टू हायर अ कार to go from one place to another, there also the owner of that car is somebody else, and I just take that car to be dropped or to transport from one place to another. So I'm using that movable property, but I'm paying for the same. So that is why it is called as a non-gratuitous bailment. Both are covered under ICM. The third category of bailment is also called as statutory bailment, which is covered under contractual, quasi-contractual liability. So statutory bailment is where the bailment, the concept of bailment is not contractual, जहाँ पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के थ्रू रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज नहीं है पार्टीज के ऊपर, बट इट इज द स्टैट्यूट which is imposing certain kind of responsibility and certain kind of liability upon the parties. For example, if I go to the market and I see a diamond ring falling on the the floor, and I pick up that ring, now the owner of that ring is somebody else, but I've just picked up that diamond ring and I'm just having the possession of that diamond ring. So the statutory responsibility जो मेरे ऊपर लॉ इम्पोज करता है, जो मेरे ऊपर इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट इम्पोज करती है, वो क्या करती है कि मुझे उस रिंग का ड्यू केयर करना है, जस्ट एज अ बेली in the case of contractual bailment, and I should take measures to find out the true owner and meanwhile take due care of that ring. So this responsibility is which deals with statutory bailment. So for more informative videos like these, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is EJ Law Academy by Mrs. Kritika Singh. Thank you. God bless.